All right, guys, trailer I printed with my 3D printer. Gonna do some jeeping. Whoop. Going the wrong way. Trying to do this one-handed. Haven't done much crawling with these outside, mostly in my indoor track, as you guys have watched. But I got this outdoor track for my 24 scales. So let's see what we can do. Here we go. Let's see if we can get up this little spot. Doubt it. Nope. I don't want to crash it. All right. This little section I'm going to try, and then we'll call it a day. This is a fun section with the 24 scale stuff, so. Missed my line on that one. Again, I'm doing a one-handed. Whoa! All right, one more try. Get some of this crap out of the way. All right, let's hit this line. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like and subscribe button if you like what you see. Till the next time, thanks for watching.